Oh, heck yeah. Time to play some Fallout 4. Press any button to start. Okay. What? What? What happened? It said press any button. What? What? Didn't know this can't be happening. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do. Being betrayed. It said any button, didn't it? Any button. That's the button. No. I'm not having it, mate. Oh shit.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you hear in my heart, and my heart will go on.
Nah mate, this is awful. This is absolutely terrible. This is really bad. I'm never doing this ever again. My neighbours probably think I'm fucking crazy, but yeah. If you enjoyed that shit, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. I'm probably just gonna go have an anxiety attack now. Goodbye everyone. Fuck off.